Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a Christmassy red eye look with like nude lip, something that would be perfect for Christmas. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so yeah, I already applied my eye base, and for my eye base I used the P.Louise eye base. This is in the color Rumour 2, and I put on my eye tapes just because I want a really crisp edge. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette. And I'm going to be going in with first... Okay, so I'm actually going to be going in with the color Licorice. This really pretty red. I'm going to pick that up on a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm going to pack that red color onto my crease. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this red color right at my crease. I'm not going to go any more above or below, just strictly at the crease. And once my color is on, I'm just going to go ahead and go back in and blend. And then with a clean brush with no product on it, I'm going to be picking up the color Cone. And I'm going to go ahead and blend out Licorice. So blending that out. So now that I have that blended out, I'm actually going to go back in to that red color Licorice. And start placing that in my crease again. So I want to just really build up this color. Okay, so I want to deepen up the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with the color Raspberry. This color right here. So I'm going to take the color Raspberry on this flat fluffy brush and focusing on like the outer corner of my eye. I'm still gonna go in with this brush and go in with the color Cone, the nude transition color we went in with, and I'm just gonna blend it up above my by my brow bone. So okay, so now for my eyelid, I'm gonna do like a glitter shadow. So for that I'm gonna use the Makeup Jack liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Ruby. It's like a perfect red. So this is what Ruby looks like. She's glittery, she's red. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my eyelid. And I'm just gonna use the wand it comes with. So I went ahead and finished off my eyes, and I also did just a little eyeliner, some lashes, and I did a little tight lining too. And now for skin, to prime my skin for today, I'm going to be using some face oil because my skin is so dry. Like, I moisturized before I started doing my makeup, and my face right now feels like a little tight, and I don't like that feeling at all. And yeah, my skin has been very, very dry this winter. I don't know why. To prime my skin for today, I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'm gonna just pick up just a little bit. I'm gonna warm this up on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna apply this basically all over my skin. So now I'm going to go in with the face primer oil. So for that, I'm going to use the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose. It's supposed to moisturize your face, add brightness and balances, and it has all these kinds of oils in it, and it replenishes dehydrated skin, and it gives you a youthful glow. So that is what I want. So I'm actually going to prime with this. I've actually never used a primer oil, so we'll see how this goes. And I'm only gonna apply a little bit, so I'm gonna apply like one dot on this side and one over here, because I don't want to overdo it either, you know. And then if I need more or I want more, I'll just go ahead and add some more. So blending that into my cheeks. It actually feels really nice on my skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and put more. So for foundation for today, I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow foundation. And I'm in the color Medium Buff. Yes, so it's a radiant foundation, but it doesn't look too like luminous. It's like the perfect amount. So yes, I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. beauty sponge to blend it out. And then I'm just going to begin by dotting it. And I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to do this side first. I'm going to start blending it out. And the reason why I work in sections is because I don't want to dot this all over my skin and there be too much product. So by doing section by section, I like blend out where I placed it, and if there's any like see right now, like there's excess product, I start bringing it to the other side. So to cream contour, I'm just going to use the Alley Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Chestnut. Okay, so for concealer for today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the color Vanilla. To set my skin, I'm going to use the Anastasia Vanilla Powder. I love this stuff. And to set it, I found this at Ulta. It's a Real Technique sponge, but it's a powder. Like, it's meant for powder. Okay, so now that my under eyes are set, powder's getting in my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with this sponge. And it does pick up a lot of product, like, and I know I'm gonna look white right now. I just gotta set this first. I'm gonna go in with this brush and start dusting off any of the excess powder. Just with the sponge, I'm gonna go in and really like try to get everything blended out together. So now to bronze my skin, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Bronze Please bronzer and start working it in circular motions. Okay, so my camera turned off on me, but I finished up my contour and then I applied some blush. It's like a nice like luminous blush. Let me show you guys actually. It's in here. I used this blush. It's super pretty. It's like, it has like, it's luminous. It's like a rosy blush, and this is by the Bissu brand, and this is in the color Coral. So I'm gonna finish off the bottom of my eye, and I'm gonna keep this very subtle. I'm not gonna bring it down like I usually do. I'm just gonna keep it right there, but I do want to build up the color. So now that that's my under eye eyeshadow is on, I'm actually gonna put this pink, oh, it's like a pink red eyeliner onto my waterline. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna do the Lemon Drop, this color, with a little bit of this one, Jawbreaker. I'm gonna do mainly Jawbreaker, but I'm gonna add like a little hint of Lemon Drop. And then just going into Jawbreaker, I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. So to set my brows, I'm gonna use the NYX Brow Mascara, and this is in the color Espresso. So I'm just gonna set my brows, and then this adds color back to them because I did add setting powder to my face. And I'm actually gonna set my skin before I put my bottom mascara on. So I'm gonna set my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this is in the pineapple scent. So I have like a little bit left, so I'm gonna spray my face. Thing you want to do, you want to look is all polviado with all the powder, so never forget to set with some setting spray. So for lips, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner, and this is in the color Free Spirit. And for my liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the color Unbutton, and this is like the perfect nude. It is so pretty. It's like a perfect nude pink, but it's like not even pink, it's like apricot-y. It's super pretty. So I'm gonna line, ooh, what the heck? I'm gonna line my lips. All right, and yeah, we're done, and this is the completed look. Yeah, I really hope you guys like this makeup look. Yeah, this is definitely something I would probably do on Christmas Eve. And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys liked it. If you did, let me know what else you guys would like to see on my next video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.